In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily delete text messages, multiple text messages, or the entire conversations on Messages app on your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys. I'm gonna show you all the process from the beginning, and first off we need to open up Messages app. After that, get into a conversation you want to delete messages from. If you would like to delete a message, first off we need to long press on it, just like that. Then hit More. As you can see, now one particular message is selected. If you would like to delete multiple messages at once, you can select all of them. And then just tap right here at Trash and hit Delete Messages. If you would like to delete the entire conversation, head over to your conversations list, then swipe to the left, tap at Trash, and then tap at Delete. Even though the messages and the conversations are no longer displayed here, actually that messages and the entire conversation are not permanently deleted, and if you would like to recover that messages, you need to head over to Filters, and that's where you can easily find Recently Deleted. First off, guys, you can recover all the messages you have just deleted. You can do so in 30 days after you've deleted the messages. After that, they will be automatically and permanently deleted even from here. To recover messages and the conversation, tap right here at Recover. However, if you would like to manually permanently delete that messages from your device, tap at Delete and then Delete again. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.